Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today we're going to be using this stencil to make this, to make that, this, and this. These are backgrounds that we can use in our journals. We can use it as covers for books, and also we can do it for labels, for tags, and to make collages on top of this. So the materials that we're going to use are super simple, and basically you need a stencil and you need a cardboard. So I'm going to be using this one, and you're going to see how easy it is to make one of these amazing floral patterns on a cardboard. You don't even need too many things. We're gonna go and use acrylic paint. I'm using a little piece of cardboard, like you can see here, to pour my acrylic paint, and then we start doing it like so. You can start with one color, or you can add more than one color. So what we're gonna do is you place like 3 areas with different colors, and we're gonna start mixing them. This is very easy. Anybody can do it, and the results are amazing. So you go one by one. You can add shadows or different colors. Same for the pink one. I'm doing pink, orange, and green. You can do only orange. Try to make them like separate in the space so you can have different colors in different areas. Let's keep doing this. I usually go from the borders to the inner of the flower. Like this is to avoid my paint to go under the stencil. So I recommend you to do the same. Start in the outer part of the flower, and then you go inside. So it's going to be easier for you to work, and the results are going to be better. So in this way you go following the pattern, and you'll see the results. This is a part of it, and I have another one that is already dry and complete. This will be the second part, and what I'm going to do, and I like to do, is to go in the center of the flower using a little bit more dark paint. Like I'm going to be using dark blue. This is actually, let me see, navy blue here, acrylic. You dip your brush here, and actually you have it also a little bit of orange, and then you go doing a tiny dot on the center of the flower. So you can do that. It's a tiny touch, and it makes a huge difference, like when you touch the flower, and it's like a shadow in the center of the flower. So you keep changing the colors, and we can go here, there. It can be sometimes darker, it can be sometimes lighter, and then you switch colors, and as you can see, the effect is really nice because it's different. It gives like a shadow and center on the flower. I think that this is an easy craft. Anybody can do this, and just use stencils, and that's it. You see the difference now. So we have the flowers with the center, so I can use them as pockets. Also in my journals, you just cut a tiny bit here of this part, and actually we can do one of those, or you can just go and make a collage. Like, let me see, what do I have here? Like, for example, if I want this to be used as a collage, I can also put 2 together and then come over here in one of the spaces, glue this on top, like make some shadows around, and then this is one of the ideas. The possibilities are endless. You can also have a butterfly. You can also build a pocket on this one. If you have a rectangle like this one, you can build a belly band like in the center, so then you can add some information in here as a belly band. Or you can also do a tucked spot, like in here. You can go there and just glue the angle, and that's going to be a place to keep some memorabilia, some ephemeras. So the possibilities are endless. Once you finish using your stencil, go ahead and wash it in the sink, like under the running water, so you can get rid of all this paint around the stencil. You can check it out faster and in an easy way, like if you put this on the running water, in a sink or under a faucet, and then you can get rid of the paint from both sides. You can use it for the next time. So this is all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't go away without subscribing to my channel. I see you soon, my friends, and I hope you enjoy this project and come up with amazing ideas using these templates that we just made. Thank you so much. See you soon. See you, my friends. Bye-bye. Bye. A creativity journey sometimes comes with a question. Am I doing it right? So often we rush towards the answers or towards the results. These type of projects, it can be done by kids, by adults, by young people, because the result is not the important part. The result is going to be just an expression of what you are, of the colors, of your feelings, and of that moment that you're living in that precise time. Sharon West said, "Imagination belongs to hope. It's the creative dance of possibility." So give yourself a possibility to create and make creativity a possibility. Feeling resistance is a sure sign that what you want to create is important. So give yourself time to create. Keep a diary. Make a sound diary. Keep a journal, and every day you're gonna see how you grow. Being in the moment allows space for your creativity to grow. So remember, never give up, never surrender, and never give up onto ourselves. If you like this kind of content, if you like my videos and you want something else related with journals, art, crafts, and everything my creativity can make possible, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and of course don't go away without clicking the bell and give me a thumbs up. See you soon. I hope to see you next week. Bye bye. Bye friends.